Hey guys, welcome to Life with Dulce. In today's video, I want to give you guys a tour of my home. We purchased the house in January, but we didn't move in till May. There was a couple things that we wanted to get done before we officially moved in. It's still nowhere near done. We have an unfinished master bedroom, an unfinished office slash game room slash guest room. Yeah, it's a lot. My glam room is nowhere near done. We will get into that later, but at least we have freshly painted walls. We have brand new furniture. We have everything we need to be living happy here. Our home is a small home, and I want to show you guys how you can make a small home feel like a masterpiece. Bright, open, modern. I'm excited. Let's go. Let's take a look. Come on. To become our house lounge. We're gonna add a couch, a table, some long curtains. We have the bar there. It's still not done, but we know it's gonna go there. Our kitties have taken over this room right now since their second bedroom is not done. We have their litter boxes, their bed, their toys. They love it. We have a super cute modern industrial light that the previous owners left behind. I was gonna change it, but now I feel like it goes perfect with everything I have going on. These two black chairs were the first piece of furniture that we ever had in the house. We had nowhere to sit, spent numerous Saturdays there waiting for people to come in and out of the house and give us quotes for things that we wanted to get done. We had the intention of returning it, but now our kitties love them. And don't forget to like and subscribe.